How to get a good quality night's sleep too. The one thing I recommend is getting a beautiful alarm clock. One that doesn't tick, one that highlights in the night. If you want to go for a walk, to keep the lights dim is really, really important. I'm going to talk to you about gadgets and you're going to be a little bit horrified. If you sit here at night and you've got this on your lap, it's really, really bad for you to go to bed at night. You can't sleep after this has been on you, near you, or around you, let alone what you're killing in your relationship, allowing this to be actually in the bedroom. The bedroom is for rest and a calming routine at night. If you want to go and watch movies, you shouldn't really ideally be in bed. Believe you me, I've done this and I've done it many, many times, and I find as soon as I've put that lid down and I've finished watching that horror movie or that thriller, I'm wound up and I cannot go to sleep. So for me, I have to make sure that I'm watching my movies at 7 o'clock in the evening so that I've wrapped it by 9, and then I'm starting my evening routine, because what we want to encourage you to do is have good habits at night. Because what happens, our days and our tasks run together so that we're as busy in the day as we are in the night. There is value to disengaging ourselves from our electronic attachments. We have to set boundaries around work and play, and that's about nurturing our important relationships, which are ourselves, our partners, and our children and family. So it seems difficult to do at first, but when you start turning off and having a beautiful long bath and having a beautiful quiet routine at night, you'll be able to sleep better. And this is all about qualitative sleep. So at night, I've got a habit of reading poetry, and we have a poetry book by the bed, and we actually switch and we each read poetry. But believe you me, the nights I've got my laptop burning away on my lap and watching a movie are the nights that I don't get any rest. So give it a try. Try and sort of maybe eliminate it out of your life a little bit, or have an evening where you say, this is the rule for electronics. They're off by 7 o'clock, including your cell phone. Now these devices, science cannot go fast enough, and we have to rely on logic. And what we're doing is we're overusing this. We can talk around an entire supermarket on the cell phone. Respect these things, they're dangerous. They're sending a message all the way up to the satellite and back, and to our humanness. So what we can't do, even though people say, but I swipe it and it's on airplane mode, if you want to charge this, put it in another room. Turn your Wi-Fi off at night. These electronic, invisible things are not allowing us to totally disconnect as human beings. So here's something fabulous to know. Melatonin, your hormone balance, which controls proper cellular function and repair at night, is driven by melatonin. Melatonin is produced when it gets dark, and its production can be shut off just with the flash of a light. And often the kids have got their cell phones on, tucked down their tops under their beds. In fact, I remember hearing about a star that went to bed with her BlackBerry under her pillow. And you know, I mean, how ludicrous is that? These are going all the way up to the satellite and back to our ears, and they are sending a message. You shouldn't have them anywhere near your sleep at night, nor should your laptop be, nor should charging it by the bed, airplane mode or not. I don't think these things are healthy for you. I highly recommend getting them out of your room at night, having an evening where you have the time that you basically say, I'm disconnecting from all electronics. I'm going to turn off my phone, turn into me, and I'm unavailable. I love that. It's just so cool. So let's hope that that is a little tip for you that just encourages you to sort of just put that beautiful time into you at night, and yeah, get a beautiful night's sleep tonight.